welcome to a rainy weekend afternoon in British Columbia. Rainy British Columbia, but it doesn't matter. It's 10 degrees. We got a fire to keep us warm anyway. We can still wear t-shirts outside. Today we're going to cook a delicious meal outdoors. We're cooking fresh hard-shell live lobster from Clearwater. We also have some live PEI mussels in there we're going to cook as a starter. I've got the pot boiling in our mini kitchen we've set up. Pot boiling ready for the lobster. I've got the barbecue grill ready because along with the lobster I'm going to cook a juicy T-bone steak and we're going to make surf and turf. That's for the main course. PEI mussels in cider and herbs for the starter. And boy, it's going to taste so good out here by the fire. Fire's looking good. I'm not by myself, I am with Mac Dog. Hey Mac. And also, look what else has come out. There's Larry the lobster again. He gets everywhere. Okay, it's time to put on this juicy T-bone steak. It's been dry rubbed already. We're using Spiceology prime rib rub. We've never tried that, so this is a first. It smells delicious. We're just going to pop that on the grill and get it going. Okay, take my life in my hands and pull off the bands and make sure he doesn't bite, which I'm sure I can move quicker than him, I hope.
Here he comes.
Here he comes. There we go. Still lively. Look at that guy. Into the pot you go, buddy. We're going to cook 4 lobster today. It's amazing how lively these guys are. The way the box is packed, it just keeps them nice and cold and fresh. They kind of go dormant in the box, but as soon as you pull them out, look at them go. That's number 3. We've got one more. He's hiding. There he goes. Yeah, you think you can get me? I'm quicker than you, buddy. Yep. Yep. He tried to bite me, that one. Okay, so these have been going about 12 minutes. I'm going to give them 17 minutes. They're a pound and a quarter, pound and a half. 17 minutes, we'll see them cook good. And then over here, well on its way to being cooked, is that T-bone steak. That forms the other half of the surf and turf. We do like it well done, that's why it's getting cooked well. A lot of people don't. We do prefer well done meat. I know, sacrilege, but that's the way we like it. And then the mussels we're going to cook afterwards. What we want to do, we want to eat the surf and turf and enjoy it and not fill it with mussels and bread. So we'll eat that afterwards, and then we got, if we have room left, after the lobster and the steak. And Matt Dog is sniffing around. He can't wait. He knows his food. He can smell it, can't you, buddy? But it's not for you. Not for you. Okay, these are cooked. They've been going 17 minutes. So I'm going to pull them off. Watch out, Mac Dog, move. Move. There we go. And we will pull them out of the water. I think Matt Dog thinks he's going to get one.
Yummy.
There's number 1. There's number 2. Upside down. There's number 2. Is
It's huge.
number 3. They do seem big again. These lobsters look awesome. There we go. 4 beautiful lobsters ready for the surf and turf to go with the steak. Fantastic. And now we're going to use the same propane burner to get the mussel broth ready. the smell, it's not even started heating up, but the smell of bacon and onion and herbs and lemon and cider and everything that's in there, the smell is incredible. Wow. Okay, we are steaming away. The smell is incredible. Like the bacon and onion in there. Wow. So we're going to pull this off. We're steaming. Not for you, Mad Dog. We're going to load in some fresh mussels. There we go.
Some fresh PEI mussels.
And we're going to get that lid back on there right away. And those are going to steam away for, what do you say, Rhonda?
3-4 minutes.
Yeah, until they're open anyway. Okay, so the mussels are all open now. So just to finish off, we're going to add the last ingredients, which is Greek yogurt, bacon, parsley and tarragon. And we're just going to stir that in. Look at those guys.
And you hear that sizzle.
Oh yeah. I wish it was smell-o-vision, because if you could smell this now, man, you would be mouth-watering. Look at that. I'm just going to let those do another 30 seconds, that's all it needs. And voila. Look at those. Incredibly, smellingly, deliciously amazing.
Smells amazing.
Exactly, that's what I meant to say. In not so many words. Cheers. So, this is hard to describe. We've got a beautiful wine, which is a British Columbia wine. That's not hard to describe. It's a See You Later Gewürztraminer, which is delicious. But what is hard to describe on camera is sat in the middle of the forest eating these fresh cooked PEI mussels with Rhonda's recipe for the juice. I can't describe it, words fail me. Absolutely delicious, and they just taste so much better being kept warm by the fire, and I can smell the smoke, I can taste the smokiness in the wine. This is just awesome. What a great day.